Hi everyone, I am going to show you how to do your math journal. You are going to need probably some colors. You will need a pencil as well, so make sure you have a pencil so you can erase. You'll need some scissors, some glue. You will need your math journal, so you need to find that. I'm not exactly sure what color yours is, but you need to find your math journal. And you will need the first page only of your math book. So you're going to rip off page number 1. Okay, this one goes back in your bin or your backpack, wherever you need to, so that you don't lose it. All right, step 1, you know whenever we do our math journals, job number 1 is to cut it out. So follow the dotted line, turn, adjust your hand where you need to, turn, and cut. You know that this goes in the recycle. If you don't have one, you need to find a garbage at home and put it in there. Now you will open up your math journal. Look at all these awesome pages we've already done. And you need to find the next blank page. I have found my blank page, so I will take my glue, go around the outside, and X in the middle. We don't need too much, but we need enough that it sticks down. Stick your paper on and massage it in. Sometimes we close it. We like to count to 10 while we massage and stick our paper. Okay. Draw dots on the 10 frames to solve the equation. Record the sum. Remember, sum is the answer to an adding equation. Let's read these adding equations together. 7 plus 8 equals 6 plus 5 equals 9 plus 10 equals, and 12 plus 4 equals. Grade 1s, remember, those all mean the same. Even if I write the equation up and down, it doesn't change, okay? So we have 7 plus 8. I can also write that, whoops, like this. Does that change the question? No, it's still 7 plus 8 equals, okay? 6 plus 5. We could also write that 6 plus 5 equals. It doesn't change. No matter what way we look at it, the answer is the same, and we call it a sum. How you are going to do this page is by drawing the dots on the 10 frame, and then, you know what adding means, we put the dots and count them all together, and that will give you your answer. So feel free to use your colors. I'm going to use my Mr. Sketch markers. You can use markers at home. Maybe you have crayons, pencil crayons, pens. Use whatever you have. If you just have a pencil, use your pencil. The first 10 frame, I will be drawing 7. So I'm going to pick 2 of my favorite colors, and I will draw 7. Now remember, we always fill in one side first. 2, 3, 4, 5. After I fill in one side, then I go to the other side and start filling it in. 6, 7. Let's double check my work. 5, 6, 7. That was counting on. In my next 10 frame, I need 8. 1, fill in one side first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now remember, we fill in this side first to make it easier to count. So now that I'm adding, I just need to count them all together. When I have these sides in that are like that, it's easy. I know that it's 5. And then if I take these 2 purple and I move them over here, I would have 3 rows of 5. So to find my answer, I could just skip count. 5, 10, 15. If that's too complicated, just count your dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Use a pencil to write your answer. Let's do one more together, then you will do the rest on your own. You can pick the same colors or you can pick 2 new ones. I am going to pick 2 new ones, starting with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many over here? 5. Starting at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now to get my answer, I just need to count all of the dots and add them together. So I'm going to use my mental math strategies. 5, 10, and one more is 11. You will do that for all of these questions. Good luck, grade 1s. Try your best, and don't forget, have fun.